Experience the colorful happy world of childhood from now on with Xingtai 3D printing series. Funny DIY shaking machine and heating shaping box help children use their hand and imagination to create their own artwork. Now, let's take the square mold and paint it carefully. Then, put it into the heating machine. Close the door and press the heating button. Now it's in the heating. Remove the pattern keys from the painting book, assemble and stick them. Now the amazing 3D work is finished. Let's move to the funny shaking machine. Put the round mold filled with paint inside it. Rotate and turn it. You will find it so surprised that the paints are spread even. And then put the round mold into the heating machine. After the heating, take the mold out